Alright guys, it's late Saturday. We haven't had any videos out lately because we've been crazy busy working. However, I went and picked up the machine off of a job, just unloaded it. I got called out by Ed from Full Tilt Grading to do the Eggscavator challenge. If you don't know what that is, that's where a bunch of us grown men play with eggs and cones and bottles and stuff with our excavators. Should be fun. Yeah, I got a little bit of a sloppy mess here, so I actually just got a price on pins and bushings for this machine, but I'm thinking this is going to be quite the challenge. I mean, number one, this is probably one of the most violent looking thumbs. I actually made it. Number two, it needs a pin up there. I just don't see this happening, to be honest with you. I mean, how is this gonna work? I don't know. I would be actually really shocked if we don't just crack every egg in the carton. What I'm gonna do though is maybe I'll set it up here, and then none of these looked cracked. I mean, that one looks a little bit. Yeah. I don't know how this is gonna work. Kind of don't want my wife to see me doing this. She'll probably be a little irritated that I'm using up all of her eggs. Let's just leave the carton here, because I think I don't know the rules of it, but we'll just leave the carton full of eggs here. And I guess the rules are you have to pick it up with the thumb. I mean, or you could just have fun with the video, you know. But I actually want to give it an actual go, you know. I feel like I owe it to my chicken friends here to give it a real try. I'll leave this right here. Looks fine. I know some people are clamping their GoPros to the bucket, but I kind of want to leave everything in plain view. Let's fire it up. interesting. I wasn't expecting that. First shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And number 12 is here. And no cracks, and just to show you it is real. So that's the Eggscavator challenge, and I don't think I'm gonna do more because tomorrow's Sunday and I have like 2 packages of bacon in the fridge, and I'm really big on breakfast, so that is the challenge. Can I do it again? Probably not. I don't know, but I'm not gonna take a chance because I think there's potatoes in there too. So home fries, bacon, eggs, and it's a long weekend, you know. So I kind of want to save these. You know, I'll catch you guys later. Oh, before I go, I did get called out by Ed from Full Tilt Grading, and I just want to say, my hat's off to Ed. I am really, oh, there's egg dripping down here. I am really impressed. You guys need to go over to Full Tilt Grading and check out Ed's, because I'll show you real quick. Ed picked up this, like this, and put it on top of a cone. Like that, with an excavator. So, as far as I'm concerned, Ed won this too. If it's a challenge. I don't know if there's winners and losers, but go check out Full Tilt Grading and watch Ed pick up the bottle while balancing the egg. Like I said, extremely impressive. Catch you guys on the next one.